office in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Bartow County in northwest Georgia, southern Floyd County in northwest Georgia, north central Paulding County in northwest Georgia, Polk County in northwest Georgia, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 8 miles west of Etna, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Cave Spring, Cedartown, Fish Creek, Paragon, Rockmart, Van Wert, Taylorsville, Hurley, and Stillsboro. When the tornado warning has been issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into a basement or an interior room on the ground floor. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpasses. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northern Georgia.